9-7.
They start getting out of control. We're going in. We can hear talking inside the residence. Is our caller male or female? I hear a male voice.
I can hear female in there. He's probably got her. I can hear. There's a female in there. She's crying. He's probably in the bedroom with her. Yeah. Go.
Austin police!
Yeah. I'm going to kick it.
Go lethal and we'll switch.
Kick it. You want me to do it?
We're forcing entry.
Austin police! .404, shots fired, shots fired.
You good in there? You good in there? Police department! Is somebody shot?
.404, we got a hostage situation. I can hear him saying if we come in, he's gonna kill her.
I have a broken window. I hear voices talking inside. We can get units to me 1018. Hey, if they start getting out of control, we're going in. So clear. We can hear talking inside the residence. Is our caller male or female? Clear. I'm hearing a male voice.
He's probably got her. I can hear. There's a female in there. She's crying. He's probably in the bedroom with her. Yeah.
Austin police! We're just gonna breach it.
Yeah, break it.
Go lethal and then we'll switch. The workforce and entry.
Shots fired, shots fired.
You got in there?
I'm coming to you. Coming to
You
you.
got in there? Police department! Somebody shot?
If you come in, he's gonna kill her.
Hey, distract him over there.
Police, fire, EMS, or mental health?
Hey, this is Jordan Walton speaking.
Yes, what's going on?
I am currently the suspect. I don't want to hurt this kid. Please tell the police to leave.
Okay, what's going on exactly?
Dangerous men are trying to kill me.
Where are you guys?
Tell them the address.
No, I don't know.
You know the address.
No.
Tell them you're at the current hostage situation.
Wait, please, wait. He called the police. Please.
I can't. Come on, just pray. Say, God, deliver me from evil. Say, God, deliver me from evil. Please deliver me from evil. God, please deliver me from evil.
Wait. You called the police.
Sir, what's going on exactly?
I've been getting a lot of death threats lately, and I'm in fear of my life, man.
Can you tell me your name?
Jordan Montreal Walton.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
Do you know where you guys are, like what your location is?
We're at the current hostage situation.
Okay, I understand that, but I don't know if you have a location of where you are.
Northeast Austin.
You're in Northeast Austin?
Wait. You called the police, please.
Do you know the child that you're with?
What's your name, son? You're a good kid, right?
Yeah, I go to I go to school.
What school do you go to?
In mathematics, social studies. I want you in science. Please.
Okay, what's your last name?
Walton.
Is he your sibling?
No, I don't know this kid.
Okay, do you know the kid's full name?
Tell them your full name.
How old are you?
Yeah. Please wait.
I won't kill you. I promise you God, I will not kill you if they leave.
Leave the house, please.
Can you tell me how did you meet the kids you have with you right now?
I don't know. I just I was at a gas station. My car had run out of gas. I was trying to fill it up, and somebody left me there.
Did you meet the child at the gas station?
The guy who left me at the gas station, his name is...
How old is
I'm not sure how old.
Wait, please! Wait!
What kind of car did he take you in?
A black Jeep Grand Cherokee. He was the driver of the vehicle, and he hopped out and left.
Please, wait!
Do you know which gas station you were at?
I don't know which gas station I was at, but the Jeep is wrecked, and it's over here.
Is it where you are, the Jeep, or is that just gone? Is that somewhere else?
I don't know. It's wrecked. I hopped out in fear of my life.
When did that all happen?
30, 40, 50 minutes ago.
Okay.
Ma'am, I promise I will not hurt this kid if the police leave.
Okay, I understand that, and I'm trying to give them that message
Okay.
to let them know, okay? Because I know you don't want to hurt anybody.
Yeah, I don't want to hurt this kid. I don't want to hurt this kid, but right now he's the only collateral I have. You're a good kid, right?
Yeah.
You like to read, you like to sing, you like to listen to music, you like to play the game, Xbox, right? Yeah.
Okay, so hey, can I get you over to another phone line? Can I have you call someone and talk to them about this? Because I'm giving them all the information, but I can give you up to someone higher that can do a lot more decision making than I can.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Can I give you that phone number and you'll call them?
Actually, hold on.
I can put you on hold and I can just transfer you over if that's easier.
Do you have a Snapchat? Do you have a Snapchat? Do you have a Snapchat phone?
No.
No, Snapchat.
Do you want me just to go ahead and transfer you? If it's easier?
Let me see.
It's broken.
It's broken? Can you text my brother? Sorry, what's your name?
Huh?
What's your name? My name is Jordan. I'm a good man, okay? I've never killed anybody before, and I hope I never have to, okay?
Jordan, are you still there?
Yes, I'm still here now.
Okay.
All right, so you shot at officers every time you guys...
Weapon.
Some sort of rifle?
Some sort of automatic, you can't tell.
But they thought it was automatic.
Like full auto, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And this came in as a burglary call from a homeowner?
He's come out 3 or 4 times with the kid, but he keeps going back inside.
All right.
At one point he had the kid in front of the doorway on his knees, asking us to leave.
Movement, he's coming out. One hand up in the air.
Got the kid.
Got the kid. One hand is up in the air. He's down.
Alpha 1, shot taken, suspect is down.